my channel, everyone. Today we're gonna be making the most incredibly delicious savory cheesecake. This makes the perfect appetizer that will catch everybody by surprise. It's firm on the outside and soft and creamy on the inside with the perfect amount of tang. Let me know in the comment section down below if you would enjoy this as an appetizer or a dessert. Now let's get started. To start this cheesecake, I'm adding 2 8-ounce bars of room temperature cream cheese to my bowl, along with 1 egg, 1/3 cup of sour cream, and some shredded cheese of your choice. This one's mozzarella going in, and for a nice complement to the savory cheesecake, I have here 2 sliced green onions. This is going to be all mixed together until it's fully incorporated either by hand or with a mixer. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell because I post new videos every other day. Now put the mixture off to the side, and to make the crust for this cheesecake, I'm taking some plain crackers and adding them to a bag. I want to slightly crush these into crumbles. I'm using the bottom of my bowl, and once they resemble this texture, I'm placing them into my mixing bowl and adding 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix this together to incorporate all of that butter evenly into the cracker crumbs, and place this into your pan. This is an 8-inch cake pan, firmly pressed down on the cracker crumbs forming the crust. Pour all of that delicious mixture into the pan and place this into a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this cheesecake for about 45 to 50 minutes. Once it's ready, it should have puffed up slightly and have a bit of a golden color on top. It'll still have a slight jiggle to it, but it firms as it cools. To serve this cheesecake, I like to top it with some cherry tomatoes. I have here about 1/2 pound. I'm going to be slicing them in half and adding a drizzle of olive oil, a dash of red wine vinegar, and seasoning them with a bit of garlic salt, and sometimes I like to use fresh garlic. Mix it well and top this incredibly fresh mixture on top of the cheesecake. All of those flavors and textures will have you going back for more of this delicate crust with that creamy exterior, juicy cherry tomatoes, and the flavors of all of the cheese. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes with a unique twist.